When they say when it rains, it pours, they're definitely referring to Unathi Kanye. Because what do you mean she has been trending non-stop and not for good reasons? Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to all Trending Mzansi. But if you're new here, please do stay and don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Like sana. Not Unathi being arrested allegedly for drunk driving. Media personality, as it was reported by Sunday Times, Unathi Kanye was involved in an altercation with Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department JMPD officers after she was stopped for alleged drunk driving. Police records shows Kanye alleges she was sworn at when she refused to allow officers to search her vehicle. She subsequently opened a case for crime injury against a female JMPD officer whom she alleges that she had the alteration with. Hayi kuningi impela. But the spokesperson, Captain Tinchwalo Sibego, confirmed that, as I quote, the suspect was arrested during a JMPD operation and was later released on bail and warned to appear before the Randburg Magistrate Court on May 18. However, the docket has not yet been placed on the court. Since they are still waiting for blood test results, investigations are ongoing. Haike sana. This incident, occurred at about 11 p.m. on May 16 on Boundary Road in Robindale, Johannesburg. And what is happening? What is happening, Unathi? So basically, Unathi opened another case for the female JMPD officer, stating that she was swearing at her while the officer was demanding to search her car. And the police officers as well, they opened a case for Unathi because Unathi was found drunk while driving. Hayi kuningi impela at this point kuvulelwana ama-case left, right and center. But what is shocking, Mzansi, is the fact that or how people are responding to this trending issue. Please listen to what people had to say. You can tell she loves alcohol. Onalibu pulls her face. I wonder what was she hiding in the car, a tweet said. Her being a public figure, she was not gonna get locked up at all. And I am sure 100% she gave the cops rotten attitude. And they had to prove to her that they are the ones enforcing the law and also to protect themselves from false harassment. Another one stated, if you're stupid enough to drink and drive, the least you can do is humble yourself when the cops stop you. Rest assured you're never gonna win with arrogancy. It's not the first time she claims someone used derogatory language during confrontation. And we know how it went the last time. Another one stated, you but say now it looks like people that are not actually on Unathi's side. They're stating that she once lied prior that someone actually used derogatory language at her or a sworn at her, and she's repeating it allegedly. So people, they are finding it hard to believe her. And they're of course speaking about Sizwe Dlomo from the Kaya FM, whereby Unathi and Sizwe had a serious and a heated fallout. What do you think about this situation, Batsarabumkosi? What actually happened on that night? What happened on that night? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.